It's all lies. It's all lies. I mean, I don't know this trend. I don't know this people, all these content creator. I watch a particular videos on this YouTube platform. I watched one content creator like that. They made a video about you should turn off a particular setting about turn off this setting that you are seeing here. This setting you are seeing here right now. They say you should turn it off. I mean, how is it possible? Like I have turned this on. I want this particular content creator make a video about turning a particular features on YouTube desktop version. That if you turn it on, you are going to get views. Guys, it's all lies. Forget about all these content creators that are making videos just to get views, just to get clickbait, just to get people that are clicking their videos. At the end, they are not giving a tangible information. Now, I have to bring down this video to every of you that is seeing my video right now that don't turn whatsoever on your YouTube desktop version off. You need to turn this particular setting on. Turn it on. If you want your subscribers to get notified about your videos each time you upload a videos, then you need to turn this particular setting on. This particular setting you are seeing on the screen now, you need to turn it on so that you will notify your subscribers that your videos is released on YouTube, like your video is available whenever you upload videos on YouTube. Okay, so because this content creator that I watch his or her videos saying that you will need to turn it off for you to get a massive views. You start getting I turned this thing off on one of my video in about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I posted this video. I didn't get any views. I was like, what is happening? What is happening? I was not getting any views. It just one views in the last 5 minutes to 10 minutes I posted my videos. I wasn't getting any views. So I just decided to make this correction today so that you guys are not going to make that same mistake. So whenever you're uploading a video and you come across this setting you are seeing on YouTube on the screen now about publish to your subscriber and get your subscriber notified about your YouTube, please turn it on. Make sure it is ticked because if you go to your YouTube desktop version, you will see that YouTube automatically turned it on. Like YouTube made it automatically on for every channel so that your subscribers will get notified about your videos and they will watch it. Yes, because this particular content creator said that you will turn it off and YouTube will not notify your subscriber. It will only be notifying your new subscribe on your new audience. Now tell me, how is your new audiences going to bob into your videos, going to watch your videos without your main subscriber watching your videos? They need to get notified about your video before the new audiences will emerge and start watching on your videos. So don't be deceived, okay? Don't be deceived by any content creator on this YouTube. You need to follow the rightful content creator that will give you the legit information. Now, I'm going to be leaving the screen record on the screen after this video so that you will follow me and understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's dive in. Hey, just if you find this video very helpful, please do well to like it, subscribe, engage in the comment section, and tell me whether turning it off will help your channel grow or turning it on will help your channel grow. Let's get started.
So, guys, like I said, it's all lies. It is all lies. Forget about all this content creator that is telling you to turn off that publish, turn it off. Please do turn it off. Now, let me show you. Now, this is only accessible to once you have not uploaded your video. Now let me use this video for example. Now this is I wanting to upload a video. Then let me show you what I meant. Now you go to create. I want to upload a video. You click on upload video, click on select files, then pick media picker. Then it will now take you to your folder, your phone gallery. Then we'll now look for the video I want to upload. I want to upload this video. Yes, okay. All right, wait for it to pop out. Wait for it to pop out. All right. Now, once it pop out like this, are you hearing me now? The next thing you are going to do is beneath it, under this side now, you see show more. You click on show more. It will bring down other list of um features that you need to access to. Now, you put, if your content is alter content, you put it no. If your content is not altered content, you click on no. Then automatic chapters. Now, it's not why we are here. Our main thing is, now when you look at this thing now, you will see that this where they say allow embedding, then publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Now, if any content creator or if any channel that tells you to turn this particular publish feature off, please just just resize the video, resize that video. Now listen, let me tell you the implicate of this particular features now. The implicate, if you turn these particular features off, you are automatically telling the YouTube that they don't know the right thing for your channel, that they don't have the right to notify your subscribers. Now, people that subscribe to your channel, like for example, if you have 1,000 or 2,000 subscribers, and those people are not getting notified about your videos, there is no way on earth that they will see your videos. There is no way on earth the video will pop out on their page unless they visit your channel. Then they will now see the video and watch. But so long that you didn't notify them about it, then they will not get to see your video. Now, YouTube has made these features automatically turn on so that your subscriber will get to see your videos, and it will also push you to other new subscribers that will come into your channel. All right, so please, if your own is turned off, hmm, you are losing your channel, you are taking your channel at risk. Please turn it on, take it good. I realized that my own wasn't tick good the first time I watched one content creator like that, and I went straight to my I went straight to my desktop version and noticed that my own was turned off like this, like it was automatically turned off like this. So guys, I have to turn it on. I have to turn it on. And the video that I wanted to upload that time happens to be getting, like, in the 1 minute I posted that video, I make it published, then this video start giving me a tons of views. Like, it gives me a tons of views. Now let me show you the video. Don't worry, let me just show you the video. All right, so make sure you turn this on. Let me just show you the video. Don't worry. Okay, this is it. Let me show you the video. This is the video I am talking about. This is the particular video I am talking about that I got about 6k views. After 2 months, I got about 6k views. If you know that you have access to only if you have not uploaded that particular video. For example, now as I'm uploading this video now, it is not yet published, so I have every right to turn it on. So far I have uploaded this video, I will have no right again to I will have no access to these particular features again, because the video has been published. All right, so that is the end of this video. Please make sure that every video you are uploading, you turn this particular setting on to send YouTube algorithm or to notify your subscribers that this video to notify your subscriber that you have uploaded a new video on your channel. But once you turn it off, you're sending the YouTube algorithm that you are not notifying your subscribers. You are only notifying the new audiences, and it might be hard for you to get the new audiences because it's when your subscribers are engaging in your content. That is when new viewers, new engagements, new audiences will start coming to your channel. All right, so guys, I have been doing this thing and I have not been getting views. Some days back, I turned this off, and I was like, that video was killing my channel. And to the S, I now thought to now turn it on. That is why I have to make this video for you guys. So thank you so much. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to comment in the comment section. And see you on our next upload. All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.